Good morning, everybody. Greg, that penguin. Greg already put all the bread so they can eat it all. There's no penguin. I am the penguin, Greg. Greg, I am the penguin. Yeah, that one penguin is the big boss. I am the penguin, really, Greg. Oh my God, I am not Lady Peanut now. I'm Lady Penguin. I become penguin, Greg. Wow, so many birds now. At least I can help. At least today I have something good thing I did. Like I feed the birds. Yeah. Yeah, that big loud. Oh my God, they're flying. Lady Penguin. Bigla na yung the Lady Penguin. Next time I will bring again bread. Because I know every morning birds is hungry. They are hungry in the morning. See so many birds coming now, Greg and Biglon. See, they will come now. Wow! Lady Peanut Penguin. There's small birds also. Greg, how are you doing today, Guapa Jaja? I hope it's my day just started, Greg. So I hope my day will be great. In the name of God, thank you so much for asking, Greg. What about you, Greg? And I slept well last night. I was planning to do live again, but I fall asleep every night. I am like that. The birds told all their family and friends. They said, "Hey, man, you got to come to this fest over here." See, Biglan, they are eating. I'm so happy because I feed hungry birds. I recently woke up, Jaja. Oh, so early. Did you sleep very early? I think you sleep in the afternoon. Wow, all the baby birds came also. I'm very happy. Wow. At least I feed hungry birds. They will keep it until in that after 2 hours. The mother and father birds eating breads. Good morning, everyone. Birdies. Thank you for eating my breads. I gave you. Hope can help your hungry tummy. Their hungry tummy. But it's the rest bread, the man remove and put it in the rubbish. I don't know what's wrong to him. He didn't see, I just put it and he removed by dustpan. Ay, nako.